Hi. I was going to go to the store and buy some, and pick up a package. But I've only gone to the next corner and I'm really tired. I'm thinking about the wisdom in this. However, it is Friday. So lots of people go to town on Fridays and come back. But the bugs are very thick here. They're really coming along. Jeepers. So I'm going to get eaten up if I slip. So I'll have to keep going. I sure want to be around the camera. That's good. I should always use the camera and then they'll go to the camera, not me. Anyway, so I could probably get a ride up there to the store if I asked. He was looking at me. I don't know who he is though. Anyway, it's a pretty quiet place here. Everybody's local. Does that make sense? Everybody everywhere is local to wherever they are. I'm tired. Alright, I'll see you later. Let me see if those bugs land on my hand for you. They really look like gnats. They just go flying around and around and around and around and around. Round and around and around. Until they decide to land and then they walk into your hair. 1st of May, right on schedule, they are out. Black flies. And it's a bit of a breeze. As long as the breeze keeps up, I'm safe. But as soon as the breeze cuts out, I got trouble with these black fly bugs. Is that one on my cheek? Or did he leave? Anyway, they look like flies, only they're smaller. They're just really pesky. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking. Bye.